मेरे साथ है हमारे ZPL 2024 के वन ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजर्स विजय पाठक। मैं इनसे पूछना चाहूँगा कि हर साल हम ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, मगर इस साल ऐसा क्या नया ऑर्गेनाइज किया है जिससे कि ऑडियंस और प्लेयर्स को और भी मजा आए, इवेंट और एक्साइटिंग बने।
ओके, थैंक यू हितेन। जैसा कि आपको पता हो, ZPL हम लोग ऑर्गेनाइज करता है, हर बार अच्छा ही होता है, बट इस बार थोड़ा और अच्छा किया है हम लोगों ने। जैसे कि आप देखो कि टीम के ओनर्स न्यू हैं, कैप्टन्स न्यू हैं और कुछ नया टैलेंट भी ऐड हुए हैं सभी टीम्स में, तो वो है। और बाकी के अलग अलग टीम्स में सभी वर्क को डिवाइड, लाइक सोशल मीडिया टीम है, वो सोशल मीडिया डे टू डे में अपडेट करे सोशल मीडिया में। बाकी टीम्स है जो फुली एक्टिव है, और टीम के अलावा बाकी ऑडियंस है, जिला से पे जितने भी लोग हैं, जिला से फैमिली बहुत एक्साइटेड है ये ZPL को लेके। एंड आई होप बेस्ट टीम विल विन, बट एंजॉय ऑल द ZPL।
आपकी कोई पर्सनल फेवरेट टीम?
No, actually, as an organizer, I can't say, but best team will win. Okay, so best of luck for all the three teams.
Okay, best of luck for you too. Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this very much anticipated contest. Stakes couldn't be the higher. Atmosphere is electric. So without a further ado, let's call upon the captains. The captain of Zeal Thunders, Shivam Dalwadi. The captain of Titans, Nilesh Tarbundia. Batting. Shivam Dalwadi wins the toss and the Zeal Thunders has chosen to bat first. I would like to ask, why bat first?
Yeah, the condition looks good and the previous match is also going on, so looks like the scoring pitch is there, and we are expecting that we could deliver much more from the batting side and pressurize them in the chasing. So that's my plan for the.
Thank you and all the best for the match. Okay, not good luck with the test, but I hope you are almost ready for the match.
Yes, I am almost ready for the match, and if we won the toss, then we decided to take a field first because we have the strong point on my field and the fielding and the bowling department. So if we won the toss, then definitely we go with the field first. So it's an our call that we choose the. If we are not yet get the toss from our side, but what we need, we get it from the other team.
Okay. All the best for the match, Nilesh.
Thank you.
So Zeal Thunders is going to be batting first and Titans are going to be bowling first. So hope we are all excited for it. Let's get it started. We have our another guest. Can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, myself Christopher, and I am an employee of the Zilas Web.
Okay. So Christopher, how you feeling? Like from morning we are just preparing for the tournament, and now it's about to begin, and it's almost begin. So how's your excitement?
Yeah, it is really feeling good, and cricket match is always our passion. So yeah, feeling good. Yeah.
Any prediction about any team winning the first game?
I think Zil Warrior is very excited for the match. So I think he is a winner of the match. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Another guest, Keyur Dave sir, the COO of Zealous Web. So I would like to ask you, sir, being the part of Zeal Thunders, your team is playing pretty good in the power play. So with this slow outfield, what would you deliver the message to your batsmen as being the senior player in the team?
So far I think the batsman has done a very good job, and the outfield, I definitely agree that outfield is slow, but I think that's we expected that due to the dew. I think it's going to be very slow. So the next 4 or 5 overs again it will be slow. So the strategy is to be there and stay steady and bat well, and I think that's the strategy.
Okay. And what would you think the par score or any projected score for today's match for the first batting
Should
first?
be around, I think 140, 150 should be good to defend. So I think we are very much looking forward to that score.
हमारे साथ हैं रजनीकांत लिम्बाचिया सर, जो कि काफ़ी साल से ज़िला स्वेब में रहे हैं, और हम हैं हमारे कमेंट्री बॉक्स में जहाँ पे हम सिर्फ प्लेयर्स नहीं, काफ़ी सारा एक्सपीरियंस देख रहे हैं। जैसे कि काफ़ी सारे पुराने प्लेयर्स हैं हमारे साथ। तो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा कि विद दिस कंडीशन आपको कैसा लगता है कि कितना पार स्कोर सही रहेगा?
एक्चुअली हितेंद्र, अब तक तो जिस तरह से बैटिंग और बॉलिंग जिस तरह से चल रही है,
हाँ।
उस तरह से संतुलित बैटिंग और संतुलित बॉलिंग जैसा चल रहा है, तो अभी कुछ कह नहीं सकते बिकॉज क्रिकेट इज संभावना का एक गेम है। बट काफ़ी अच्छी तरह से मैं देख रहा हूँ कि जो बैट्समैन है वो पूरी जान लगा के खेल रहे हैं, तो आई थिंक उन लोगों ने जो गोल सेट किया स्कोर का वो अचीव कर पाएंगे।
अगर आप विद सो मच ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस अगर आप वहाँ होते तो अभी आप क्या सोच रहे होते कि मैं किस तरह से इनिंग्स को आगे ले जाऊँ या फिर मैं किस तरह से टीम में कंट्रीब्यूट कर पाऊँ?
एक्चुअली तो अगर मैं वहाँ पे होता तो वो भी एक ऐसा होता है कि वहाँ पे जाने के बाद वो माइंडसेट हमें बनाना पड़ता है कि किस तरह से हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। तो अभी जिस तरह से बैटिंग कर रहे हैं, अभी लग रहा है कि बैटिंग और उन लोगों को अच्छी तरह से करनी पड़ेगी क्योंकि विकेट्स भी काफ़ी सारे गिर चुके हैं, तो वी कैन से दैट बैटिंग अच्छी करनी पड़ेगी।
ओके, थैंक यू फॉर योर काइंड वर्ड्स रजनीकांत।
थैंक यू।
Energy is too high as we now moving on to another match. So I would like to call upon for the toss the winning team captain and also the another team captain. Please welcome Shivam Dalwadi for Zeal Thunders. And we have another captain Ankit Dobaria from Zeal Warriors. Ankit is going to take the call. King is the call. Cross. Okay, Zeal Thunder have won the toss and they have elected to bat first. Okay, I would like to ask again, bat first. What's going to be your strategy now?
Yes, just we have bowled and the energy is up to, but we want to score more. Don't want to score less like the last match. So we are trying that our batsmen could deliver up, and the bowling is energy up. So that's it. Yes, we have chosen.
Okay, all the best for next match.
Thank you.
Zeal Thunders. I would like to ask Ankit Dobaria, tough luck with the toss, no worries. But what would be your strategy to get down to Zeal Thunders?
Yeah, so we would like to stop them, as much as run, and we can defend, run. So our strategy will to limit them in around 70-80 runs, so we can easily chase them.
Okay. Any advantage you will feel as you are going after another team after watching one match? So what is the advantage you get? Like what did you see and what you can now turn into your strategies?
Yeah, it seems like pitch is a bit slow along with the outfield.
Okay.
So we can see like there is some advantage by playing some ground shots, and playing in a gap will be advantage. But by hitting a long hit is difficult in this pitch.
Okay, that's it from the presentation.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Ankit. So Zeal Thunder is again going to bat first and Zeal Warrior is going to ball first. That's it from the presentation. On to our final contest of the day. Now we have Zeal Warriors and Titans with us. So for the toss, I would like to call the captain of Zeal Warriors, Ankit Dobaria. Please welcome the captain of Titans, Nilesh Tarbundia. Would request Vijay Pathak to please toss the coin.
Cross. King.
It's King. Zeal Warriors have won the toss. What would you like to do?
We would like to bat first.
Okay, Zeal Warriors is going to bat first. Are you going to take the advantage of the current experience with this match?
Yes, we very much aware with the pitch and outfield, so definitely going to take the advantage. Yes, and previously we won the match, so confidence are high of the players, so definitely.
Is there any change in your playing 11?
Yes, there are a couple of changes. I can declare.
Okay. Thank you for this. Okay, again Nilesh bhai, again tough luck with the toss. No worry. We can go ahead with more spirit that we're gonna win this. So, what would be your tactics now to come back in this game?
Okay, the first match we have the tough with the bowler. We have lots of wide in that, so we are trying to make it low with the extra, and we try to make it stick within the 60 to 50 runs. So we have the chance to win this game, and we have the one changes in our team, which is the Malharis. We can leave it and we take the Rajesh bhai for this game. So we try to make it restrict the opponent within the 60 to 70 runs, and we try to make it make him all out and make him win the team with the very much margin, because now it's 2 of team are already win, so we need to take advantage to win with the extra mile. So this is the plan.
So, Zeal Warriors are gonna bat first for the last match, and Titans are going to ball first for this game. That's it from the presentation. For our Zeal Premier League 2024, it's Parth Pandya, the CEO of Krisha Web, who has always been a source of inspiration into their team and into our team as well. So how's you feeling about this game?
Yeah, so it's like I really found that all are very enthusiastic today. All three teams are so desperate to win the matches, and the last match, which I can see clearly that Zeal Warriors has clinched at the last moment, and it was like excellent partnership of maybe Rajnikant and Ajay. So it was really great match, a couple of good four, and they managed to stay at the pitch. So it is really great, and the enthusiasm is up to the mark. I can see that there is lunch plates, there is a lot of drinks, and everybody is behind the win. So I'm sure that the finals would be really difficult. So yeah, the great arrangement. Thank you for all organizers, volunteers, and everyone. Thank you so much.
Okay. Would you pick any of the player from the teams that you have seen? Like, did you find anyone getting into your favorite list for this match?
Oh, honestly, I just saw only maybe half of the match, so I just came half an hour ago. But I can see, while the team, the Zeal Warriors, were playing, I found that Ajay and Rajnikant are really very good. So I think I would like to say that they are not a typical batsman, but honestly, they managed to win, and both of them are really up to the mark. So I like both of them. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Here we have the winning team captain, the captain of Zeal Warriors, Ankit Dobaria. So how's you feeling? Back-to-back wins in 2 games.
Feeling very excited as we are now in the finals, and very excited for that.
And what do you think? What worked for your team during these 2 matches?
In first match we lose the wickets early, and lastly partnership help us to win. So in second match we decided to keep the wickets and hit proper ground shot and try to find out the gaps, and that helps to build a big partnership, and that leads us to a big score. That actually help us maybe.
Any mentions of the team members or the whole team about team?
Yes, it's not always one player, it's always a team that can win you a match. So everyone give their 100%. Shreyas did that well, and in the fields everyone bowled very well. We control on the extras, and also fields very tight. We didn't drop any catches. So that's the why.
Okay, thank you. Into the finals, Zeal Thunders. First of all, congratulations to Shivam Dalwadi for captain of Zeal Thunders. Into the finals, how's you feeling?
Yeah, really excited for the finals. I was not expecting we win because of our run rate, and was expecting that we would win the second match, but lastly our two batsmen and bowler were injured, so I thought we are going to lose this match, but we will cover it in the final. So we are good for the final, and we are set for the chase, and we are excited for the final. Yes.
Thank you.